What's up guys, welcome to my video. Today we're going to be reviewing the Apple Pencil 2. Let's do it. So right off the bat, you can tell from the box, it's pretty clean, it's pretty neat, it's pretty simple. And that's pretty much the way Apple rolls. That's how they like to make their products. Pretty neat, clean and simple. So let's start unboxing it. So on the side you can see it's got a little pull tab to pull open to get at the pencil. That's pretty cool. I think Apple does that on all of its products, I'm pretty sure, or at least all the products that I've unboxed before. At least all the products I've seen before. And so once you open that, you're faced with this classic designed by Apple in California. That I know for a fact is on all of its products, regardless of what it is. And inside it, I think it's instructions on how to operate the pencil, the actual pencil. Right off the bat, the pencil looks nice, it's simple, the way Apple rolls, and I can immediately tell there's a few major differences between the first generation and the second generation pencil. And if you don't know what the first generation pencil looks like, I'll put a picture right there. So on the second generation, you've got this little engraving of the word Apple Pencil here, and on the first generation, you've got a tiny silver band that goes around the pencil, it wraps around it. You can see in that picture over there. At the end of the band, if you can see that slit sort of, and you pull it off, and basically you are left with a sort of lightning charger port thing where you can plug it into your iPhone, your iPad, or whatever you need to charge with, and that's how your pencil charges. But now we have wireless charging, and so this pencil, the way it charges, I think it's shown on the back of the box it came in. You're supposed to take the pencil and attach it to the side of the iPad. It only works with an iPad and specific iPads. So it says iPad Pro 11-inch and iPad Pro 12.9-inch, the third generation. That's what I wanted to try out right now. Wireless charging. Let's do it. So I've got my iPad here, and let's see if we can charge the pencil. I know for a fact it does work because of the way it says it. So other than that, it's a pencil. It's called the Apple Pencil. So it's basically a stylus, and you can write with it, but only on Apple products and only the iPad. So I've got the iPad here again. We're gonna try and see if we can draw something, and let's see how it turns out. I've got this app called Paper here. It lets me draw anywhere, anything. But if I wanna, when you're writing on a normal paper, you kind of rest your hand on it, on the paper. So you kind of rest it like that on your paper, and you write like that. On the iPad, it kind of senses that you have your hand there, and it knows that you don't want to write there. So it'll only write what you want it to write. So I'll rest my hand on the paper and I'll write TechReview, right? And as you can see, I only wanted to write TechReview, and that's the only thing that showed up. It knows that my hand isn't my finger, it isn't the pencil. Other than that, the pencil by itself it's pretty revolutionary. I mean, we've seen the Apple Pencil first generation. This is like a whole new level, wireless charging and stuff like that, everything. I mean, it's pretty cool. So thanks for watching. That's the Apple Pencil, and be sure to like and subscribe if you like the video.